Hey guys, the call I got for you today, it actually started yesterday. Customer called and said, I don't know what kind of repair you did or what you installed for this family member of mine, but she called me and said it's leaking water all over the floor and it's so bad they can't hardly open the door. So I looked, and the last time I was there was April of last year. This is August of the next year. And I said, okay, please let me go over and take a look at it. Whatever's wrong, we'll take care of it. So that's how this call started. Stay tuned. All right, yes.
Hi.
There's tape up here. I'm going to cut this, put a cap on it, and then go outside and try to vacuum it. You might notice that there is no P-trap. Man, that seems awfully loose. I gotta say, it looks like it's dripping right there. I'm gonna have to look at that. Right now, I'm gonna we're about to start a vacuum. So cap that off, vacuum it, and see if we get anything out. That drain does not have a P-trap because this is positive pressure. Y'all hold on. I am pretty sure that this right here is my drain. You can see that is not metal. That's some kind of like plastic, and I'm not seeing a real good way to trying to pull this off so I can check that drain pan. Okay, that is broken. Try to show you. Can y'all see that? That's my problem. Okay, at least now we can look at this. Look at this and make sure that is not broken or cracked. Does not appear to be. We need to get that right there out. That's, I may have something to help with that. Okay, I had bought a tool made just for this. And right now I'm just trying to improvise. That's not grabbing it. All right, let me go look. I'm gonna try to get me a saw blade, see if I can cut that so I can break it. It's the only blade I could. All right. All right, it looks like I might be getting to the threads a little bit. A little bit more. I've never done this. I just don't want to ruin the threads. All right, let's see if we can break it. I feel like I'm close.
Years of safe driving should count for something. AARP insurance from the Hartford, experienced drivers like you are rewarded with full and nothing we love more
Let me see. Okay, we're making progress. Man, Nothing seems to be working right now. I don't want to make it worse by breaking the pan. What I'm thinking is I need something where that's wide enough to fit in there and be able to turn it. That was a piece. Oh, we're making progress. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, and there's that little piece that was on the inside. Like a layer. It almost looks like I've done that before. Alright, I'm going to put an MIP in there. And I'm going to try to find me some Teflon tape to put on the threads. And we'll start over. The reason I'm adding the Teflon tape is because, come on, I'm afraid I have damaged those threads. And I want to help ensure that we don't have leaks. And the Teflon tape helps with that. Okay. I'm super thankful to see that tighten up. I was afraid that it had broken. Oh, that is good news. Got it. We got it. Yes, sir. Whew, that was kind of. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to get the threads out, but we got them. I think that's enough. That is tight. Okay. So I'm going to cut this back a little bit further, closer to the air handler, to help avoid it possibly being bumped. So, where's my cutter? I brought all kinds of stuff to try to cut those threads out. The fact that we got water leaking out the end here is actually good news. I'm going to put this on. That's some snotty PVC glue, but alright, I'm going to add a piece right there. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put a little cap on this and glue everything but the cap. might help it, might make it easier to blow that out. Okay, I have removed the cap from over here. And we're going to put it right here. Before we close everything up, we get a bottle of water and see if we can't try this out and make sure it's I just want to be able to pour this down the drain and make sure it's not leaking where it's not supposed to. I'm not sure that this is the right place to pour it.
But with Endurance, you'll never pay out of pocket for car repairs again. It was like almost a $6,000 job. Endurance covered it.
Less than 1 year after signing up, Endurance saved me over $7,000.
I have saved over
I am.
I will never pay for covered car repairs.
I hear water. Okay.
Your transmission, usually 5,000.
All right. I am. Good. We can put it back together. And it is in there sturdy. I tested it with water. Okay, guys, so the customer that actually lived there was not angry with me at all, was not upset, never expressed any of that. I showed him the problem, exactly what I showed on camera, asked him if he wanted me to fix it, and gave me approval. And yes, there is a risk when you're doing that of breaking the drain pan. But if you don't take that risk, you'll never fix it. So it's worth the risk to try. Got him fixed. Honest truth is, one of my glued joints didn't do so well, and I had to go back and redo the glued joint. But that one is fixed. It is draining outside now. It's doing fine. Customer's happy. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.